Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
So my people, sometimes edo ya pitan wa mana gui I am in oregbeko. I must gui. If you don't quarrel finish with person, now you can't know what the person heart concerning you. Make I quickly finish my shift. Now you can't know what the person heart concerning you. How person read they see you. So Vera talk show. You come out for Facebook. You did apology to many people, including me. Although my own was difficult for you, because I replied to you, which was very necessary, because if I not reply you, I not go tell you say today go come. Now because I reply you, now make me tell you say today go come. Wait, I tell the proud today say I told you that today is going to come, and it came. You see, I want to start with this video. Let me play this video. I would like make I analyze them. It's very important. Yes, so my people, it's very important. Edo or ya ekmitan for Benin. They say awuzon ahin adeyame ahin kuta. Awuzon ahin adeyame ahin kuta. This one no be saga, but this one is just an advice. Me, I don't follow anybody to do saga now. I don't have problem with Vera talk show anymore. We finished long time. I don't even have problem even with this yes mother. I don't have problem with her. She know the problem I have with her. She knows it. The problem she have with me is all this hidey where they had for different people. They bully me, had for different corners. Where they say they backfire at every time. That is it. Apart from that, personally, I don't know. The problem I have with her, we finish it long time until she come begin to carry my matter and give different kind of people. Maybe they help and the trash. So my people, this one is the moment of truth. Reality time. I want you people to listen to this video very well. And listen to what other people have been telling Vera for many years. And listen to how this woman was defending everything that everybody say. She will say it's not true. You go say Vera na Odunga. You go say Vera is on the right track. You go say Vera they do and well. You go say Vera you are good. Even when everybody they tell Vera say what you are doing is wrong. But she was standing behind Vera to tell her say you are doing the right thing. And today, una do gbe Vera yese. We gbe Vera yese. And you know what thing even baffle me pass for inside. What thing baffle me for inside now they say. The thing you have been giving people on social media, the things where other people they take. I was one him. Even if I ya take, what other people they take, it go be like say nothing they happen. Then they chest down. Me they chest down. Other people they chest down like say anything no they happen. 1 year, 2 years, 1 year and 6 months. We might chest for 1 week. Uzolo pakekan. We might chest under 1 week, a very where you are done. You are on the street. Roaming around in the street because of Vera small girl. No that like webo. If Vera na ti book be me you know you wear the be anywhere now. My lady, you really need to check your status. Check your status because not be I be madam or I be boss, not before mouth. I be madam, I be boss, not before mouth. You know where waje? Na mouth na you just day. You know where waje? You know even get wetin you officials for real. Eh? You know even get wetin you officials. Vera no money made for every day. Vera go dey update for a platform every day. He go say Kokobiri wife, Kokobiri wife, and you are there celebrating, you will be enjoying the whole scenario. Italian people say no me freganiete. It be like say nothing they even they happen. I don't even know whether somebody they talk. After 9 months to 1 year, now take come out, come tell Vera say, what you they do so? It will get back at you. You will suffer. I was angry and lashed at her children. I was angry and was not lashing at her children. Because I know that she's going to suffer it when the time comes. That one is what I knew. I was certain. I know say Vera go suffer when the time comes. And our sister, you will say you be a duga where they carry people matter go they give her. No delize dele different things we are delegie. No make na bully e manoma seki ni anji. E manoma seki no je no you ya mwegbe kwa anyway. You couldn't even take half of what me I took on Facebook and you want to tell me you are a bigger boss lady than me? You are a learner. My dear, forget view. When you are on live video, views that are watching you, some are your friends and some are your enemies. So everybody that watch you are not your friends, including me. They are not your friends and they are not even your enemies. Your friends are there, your enemy they there. So what is now the use? Listen to yourself talking. Let me analyze this nonsense video. Egbe video jabo sono we when we wuta na video jabo sono ni na. How dare you call yourself boss lady and madam? Before you know it, a very like you were no top. Under 1 week. Owa sane we kuta. We are vieva da. Eni me ma ude. Ema ya ne vera bully. Then if vera bully us you west Facebook na. Oh you know, you be like same card they fall for gallop. Nobody hearing for anybody mat. But you cried. You was crying in the street and in the junction. Even for inside the video, you they call me names. They call me Flat Nyash, they call me this one. Philo, where you know they are beefing now. You know they there. So listen to yourself talking. Vera, I want you to listen. And every other people where they be like Vera, or where you can't do what Vera do tomorrow. Now use this one tell them because now I know they talk true for Facebook. And at the truth now we day so you see this person, Finam Omo, block him. You don't cry rich. I be more live and make stick Christ more. Okay, more live and make stick Christ more. If he insult, block him. Hi Rita, how are you doing? Do more English. Alright, I'll do more of English so that you people will hear it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about a person who behaved to be a higher assassin on social media for some time. She's the one who even tried to, she brought my hookup. If they use person till they bring my hookup, they come down since the fight and the fight. And he used Vera to fight my hookup show for a very long time. She used Vera and so many other people. Some have run away and some are still there. They are but they will run anytime from now. Those ones will also be taking their ways. But I want you people to listen to her voice talking to a person that she has defended. Person where you don't defend. Oh, Jesus. Person where you they write come out for your Facebook say Vera Diodunga. You dey write come out for your Facebook every day. Say Vera Diodunga. Your husband love Vera. You people will sit down there from January to December and be enjoying all the gist of Vera. When Vera are bullying other people, children and their husband and everybody. And these things never even you didn't see it at evil. Other people chested it. Somebody like me, I chested it for a year, 6 months. A month in a year and 6 months, never ke bully egbe. E me nerita. Oh, bully mawi me mirok bana. It grew me on social media. It makes me to grow. It increases everything. And you even confirm my growth today. You confirm it in your video. You know, I love to analyze this video. You confirm my growth on social media. You confirmed it. But one thing where you can't forget to talk, be say, although you talk indirectly, say I better pass you. You use indirect to talk and say I better pass you. And I love that. So you see, fighting indirectly, they use people where they use their head and everything till they can't fight where they don't know. It's not going to help you. Stop doing this nonsense continuously and continuously because this is around rubbish. Me, I play the nonsense video. If I finish, I throw away and put for corner. Ain't nonsense in here. When I listen to this video today, I say, "Hey, rubbish in on a kalokwa unu." Na saga you say they do so. Very well, lewe saga we okahire. Oh, lewe bolote. Owelelewe vera, owelelewe saga ma mi wula asiyan for irambiri. Una ade ya desugbo awe vera we video hin awada. Oh God. It's a pity. It's a big shame. It pains me a lot. Very big shame. What me, we be Rita, has never done. Vera bullied me for 1 year and 6 months. I was able to take it. And you couldn't even take it for 1 week. Oh, we all love this, my people. Vera, listen to yourself. The time somebody like me, Rita, go they talk to you, I will not be lying to you. So I hope it's obvious to you now. Say who are the people who say the truth on social media? The truth tellers on social media will help you out of nonsense. When they go to tell you truth, you will hear, because when I say we not be Oduga, we want from say we be Oduga. This one is one thing for you to know that you are not a real boss lady. I never see small picking where be say my boy bag with the social media or my boy saga. Yet him there you are make one off me fiada. You will go and land me aside or ya me west and look at this die we offer. If you got it in car. But Vera no lewe bolote. Ona ava where you buy wela. Ula atalo here this buy really. And you don't want to accolade Vera that she tried. Vera go egbe my dear, eh? Agba ma very cause how when ya fefe ya na siran ho. You couldn't even smile through your video. You are doing saga with Vera. Hi.
Hello, my people. May I quickly finish here? I don't know what to do my phone. So, as I did talk just now, my lovely people. Nana Vera come after 3 weeks of insulting me. Without I not do anything. And
Vera did not insult you for 3 weeks. Vera was in the middle between you and Lolo for 2 weeks. Vera started insulting you today. The re-injection she gave you today. All those 3 weeks and whatever, she never gave you injection. She never insulted you. I'm analyzing what my eyes saw on social media. She was just saying, I'm in the middle. She they call you short one, and she they call the other one tall one. She was just calling the both of you same names. But the truth of the matter is that she never insulted you. The only person where I even know say Vera even insults myself. I will not mention the name here. Was sorry, Mama Beatrice, sorry, let me mention your name. Was the real person Vera really insulted? And the song of Vera, I knew man, the Vera insulted now. Eh? Vera Maria Ladian Same where Kutava Desibai. Just look at how Vera fooled you. Hi.
get any weird social media people will be injustice people, yet they don't see anywhere. People will not love me for social media, yet they don't see anywhere where this woman for offend this lady now. Video day at first when I forgive Mama B, you even came out that day. You want talk? You say, Mama B, we forbid them, but more leave her. Mommy Monica say make we leave her. I even call your platform that day. I say, thank you, my darling. I bet we couldn't leave her because of me. Everybody put like. You say, oh, I forgive. I accept forgiveness of Mama Gladys.
And another thing, I also want to tell this my lady something. I want to advise you. The truth of the matter is that the way you take define friendship is just too much. That's why you always fall a victim of these people. You will be using all your body, all your power, all your strength to be looking for friends. And there is no friend on social media, and you will never want to learn. You will not learn. You will fall another big victim tomorrow. You always repeat the same thing. You know they learn. When you want to learn, because una go say una get sense pass we come meet una for, especially you. I come meet you for Facebook, you are learning from me. Ah, you the teacher. Because the real people will be the real teacher. Children know they see them take Zakon. Eri ma be we gbata, eri ma be we gba wono na, eri ma be we gba we no pa. Emi ni ropa. Ma de ya me aye ve na rokuta, aye pipi mu eni ropa shake. But one not take white tisha. Why of year every time. Even these are the people you pay homage to. Even you use your food and your money to pay homage to a person that you are not insulting today. You use your food and your money to pay homage to a person that you are not insulting today. A very not supposed to know you're going here. I wait to tell her for 1 week, 3 months, 1 year. You are not supposed to reply her. This time around, you are supposed to keep quiet. But you couldn't. I mean, where you feed them away all these years, and people will take it and near my checking my way anything. But see you, oh yeah, you where you da? What I looking about this by? Shameful.
Daybreak, you repent. I come outside. I celebrate your repentance of Inwinere. I celebrate them.
But I hope you heard that one. You hear that one, Vera? He say, I celebrate your repentance of Inwinere. Again, I'm going to come out with Facebook now. We in una. Oh, backfire. Oh no, you know what, Mamma? No, I call what you want to wa lu wa hu ya we mi no phone. And I ain't do. May they use nothing they do with she know the things that she cannot boldly do. The things she cannot boldly do. She wants to be using you people to do it. I hope you are not hearing from the horse's mouth. Yes, I seen you for social media. Oh, God.
Hey, good. The next thing, you say, forgiveness now can be the problem. Which of the forgiveness you say na the mama be or when you don't fair accept? You there okay? You not there okay? Oh. Me and you not go gather do this. One time let me go come and watch you like the bele la wa ya rewe. Now me get people where they cry follow me for this social media. Me I go.
And the truth of the matter is that you go begging all of them. They go beg all of them. Who for even know one day say you was buying food, you was using food to buy the loyalty because you just know say she knew enter Europe. You was using food to buy her loyalty because you know say she will feel agree to all those things. You just allow, they use food to they buy her loyalty. I hope this one go teach many people lessons. This one where they grant so it go teach many of una lessons. Mona listen you to the place where he say he was not really explaining who Vera is. The things where she they fight other people for. Say why they talking. She the explainer. Ah! But oh big no wonder the man if Facebook not will line us. Where the tell what you said last time is different from what you are saying. A Vera were describing my followers who were Dunga, a Vera Magbe, a Vera Waronagbe. Today you are changing your mouth.
Post my video where I don't do 3 years ago or 2 years ago when I did.
I tell you, say, oh, now, so I will come here and analyze it maybe once or twice. If you have this one nonsense now, just let me try it for once and twice.
When they cry, follow me, I tie all of them for leg. Now they do chogoro, chagara. I go, they do my business. On top of the noise, I go, they do business.
But one thing where you refuse to understand, be say, people when you say you tie for leg, they will wait for you. Where you we are doing where more so can get sense pass. I even might say the people where you believe say you go they use people till they hurt, like you use Vera to hurt me, to hurt this one, to hurt that one. Where? They go push your head, go front. That is one thing you don't understand. Only Mago will understand. They make noise, you make money. You understand? Talking about you gives them money. It's vice versa. Vice versa, no? And that is exactly what Vera understands right now. That's what she's doing. talking about you, give them money. Because when I am not behuarene, what about the punishment and everything here? But I'm a ya vigo yet because I don't we was working here. He was working here, say no when I could down, once was down.
You and your ilaje, Now one day I'll take finish you now. If you dey serve God of ilaje and you make me and you dey lie, you dey bad finger we feed you and your children, how you want it better for you? You dey.
Why were you feeding Vera? What it can make you the feed them? Or two boy are there Facebook where woman feed the men salebe no woman are me salebe no. I'm hungry, my children are hungry. Why were you feeding her? Why did you do that? Why are you always using your body and yourself? Where me mabe no na yesu no da. Say they use all their body and power till they find friendship, they go for everywhere where we can follow them fight. Eh? So you was busy feeding Vera, and Vera was bullying people's children for you. And you want to be peaceful on social media. You want to be peaceful on social media, buying loyalty everywhere with your money. And the people where they say now so you tell they do chogo, they don't they buy loyalty. They just sit down for one place. I never
super chat me.
They know they use their body to defend loyalty or to defend people where go come help them. People where go come help them fight. Nikki are Facebook. Now only one person. I don't over talking for Facebook to say Nigu munda mana. I just said no. But why is it that your money, although we was working where your money is always going front to go and be begging for loyalty everywhere? You don't see a boyfriend. Because you are too desperate for loyalty. Look what you put yourself into. The rubbish in man we ladian we problem is or maybe no ya o man you we ladian we problem you are ranting to say worry ladian very we ladian the problem is your helper.
And if you super chat, I don't see maybe the enter inside 5 you go. But my own super chat, the whole world they see and everybody say, now I make you the fight for me because they give you money. And they give you money.
Now here, they give you money. And they give you money. So the time when I talk about those days, say, this woman, they use money to they buy loyalty for. Anybody where just see, you go first of all read una mentality. How una mentality big rich, how una head big rich, whether una get sense or una not get sense, so you go see her from a fight, go run into una life. For the bikuguwa or bikuguwa no small wire, you go they use una till they walk way, no normal. You go they use una till they clean all the shit for social media they go. You go they use una till they buy loyalty everywhere. Me una come they fight, no. Mona not do all those things again. It's wrong. Look at what she said about Vera. The only bulldog where he get where they fight for her all these years. The only person where they fight for her all these years. Look what she did to that girl. Because the girl say, I don't want to carry load where not be my own again.
Chat you, and they give something to your children. As you can't reach where you go carry food, because not be my family give you, and not be me. Why you not come back and tell me, say, mommy, now half back they give me. You not tell me, but that your sister or your brother where they say go carry the thing. If they tell you say, the thing na this, na that, where then you are? Where then you are?
That's all not there.
Eh? You beg for them. You beg for them. Okay, since when they beat me, say I get what I do you. Why you not play this audio? Why you not tell the world? Say, Mama Monica, or the short one, according to you, can't they talk? Do you know Vera? If I stand for where you did, na so you go be for you.
Vera, he had to power virgin.
Short person, I don't know why you are calling me. You don't see me on ground, my dear. I know you'll be your mate, but I don't know why. You know they surprise me. Now your method equal. I don't know equal with social media.
I know they call this phone.
Equal working now. Eh? You say you get your own follower before you come they follow me. Eh? Where are your own followers now? Because the one.
Or he say you be dirty. He say na dirty now you be Vera. You be dirty. So now today you know say Vera na dirty. Because when Vera on start, that's why I still play her audio. Now today you know say Vera na dirty for social media. So you don't tell her all these true things. When other people they tell her things, say, Vera, what you are doing is wrong. It's a character of a person that does not have sense. It's a character of a person where brain not correct for. You go the right hand for your platform, say you are Odunga. So how are you going to deny to the public that you are not a liar? That they are calling you? The whole world, they call you liar. You are denying it. But just look at what you are saying. This same Vera, you are collated her on your platform on many occasions when she was fighting me and fighting my husband, fighting my children. And remember, you were my matter not fit come up for your mind because you are busy looking for people that will help you to kill it. I will come out all of them for your hand. I go come out all of them for your hand. You will stand alone and fight your fight alone because you started it alone.
They sit there now, best you follow and then they go where you're so. I don't see you. You don't get follow. When you the cause of best you, my own people will still like that kind of fear. For me, not like one day.
The truth of the matter is that you self not get follower. Because the truth of the matter is that you are just like Vera. And you don't look at Vera. The comparison between you and Vera is too big. Uma say Vera. You are not better than Vera. How long Vera is in Europe? Vera is just coming to Europe. Vera character can be refined in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But look at your own character. A sagan we not for many years. Where you na who you are pay go wow, we are going to anymore. You want to talk say you better pass Vera. Vera not go school, you self not go school. Vera not to get sense like that. Because you not confident they fight everybody they go, or maybe get what you take by sense that time they give her food, they give her everything. You can't close mouth, or you put what you put for her way. No, that time she was not having sense. That is the truth. The truth is that now she can't get sense. So you are just like Vera. You don't also have sense. The way you behave and fight on I wish you get sense. All these things when they talk say for social media say you better pass them. But you also forget to say other than you wear a compa, a mess so raw. They don't even need to even go look for topic again. They find the money they want on Facebook. You don't think about all those things. To also say some people have senses. When never reach where you did when you reach their own, you know they are where you are to say when I be you harakwaya view yet bo. You man need to crack a brain. Only man go way you couldn't think about that one. Vera was talking about me for more than a year. You know, they even they see you, they look at. At a time, 86, 90, 100 and something. Now go they look at. But see, as Vera belu biju or 1,000 mudia neve page, e mi no mai sunu de. E Vera tie bono or say when wabo e baro. Ugme so 80, 50 year wash e beto belu a ho you or Ogbela ho you or 1,000 mudia. 800. Yeah, wash it. So if you they say your name, they give them view. I believe that one because are you wearing a single with social media? You paid with your blood. This is what people are drinking from because you first of all go and fetch their blood. Who were ya someone beside game? According to you, we sang when you're not young who every time. Only Maggie will understand the way. That one don't let you understand for instance. Say I mean, you wear as you go. I want to own and you go. I go be you who you go even. You never reason that one.
Now few now like it. The one will be 24/7. I know like many people can bear me witness. You will say, "Hey, Samira, me Jesus." But I will jog Vera na. Yes.
Listen. Oh, we no sensible though, or we baby where the dear. So it no sense Vera wood though. So it no sense Vera wood though. Oh God. So it took you 2 years to realize Vera was doing nonsense to other people. You couldn't realize it on time. You are just realizing it because the table turned. So you don't know nonsense Vera they do since. You owe Vera a lot of apology. You say no ya digwaya Harry Vela no kama eno boy you no niru no eno we your mic.
God will bear me witness. If nobody bear witness for me, God will bear me witness. I'll say the bully is too much. A lot of people know they.
Did you hear that? The bully is too much. Under 1 week, Vera started insulting you today. And you are crying that the bullying is too much. One day, I was waiting for you to chest what I chested for 1 year and 6 months. 1 year and 6 months. Vera, a topic in a year ago on. A Facebook will not monetize you. We're not regular. We might irreverable 1 day insult. Where is the madam? I be boss. I be una leader. I be una this one. I be una the other one. Before the young, a very large gestion you were sagging. My say 2 minutes sagging where you not ton. Sagging where you not ton up the layo na ya so ada. So you supposed to also to respect somebody like me. 1 year and 6 months. Vera yaso. Coco biri wife. Coco biri wife. Coco biri wife. Coco biri wife. Also wason so wavan. All la diabo biason. He go come out for 2 o'clock in the midnight. He go. At a time, my matter can't be like say you off. You know even the. You know the see money. You know the see 1 cent for inside. Even in stream, you know enter in Facebook because she didn't do the right thing on time. They not give her in stream. As they talk to your friend, they not give her in stream. Or my in stream ad because on my way, on my finish a work.
Okay, for this social media, if you talk the amount at one time, rest.
Really?
I would wear the perfect tracksuit to walk around to do my errands rehearsal. I would.
Oh, this video, honestly, is so funny. I love the cries. The cries were just making me to laugh. Let me take it back to that place.
But he might get away winner. Who working now? Eh? You say you get your own follower before you come they follow me. Eh? Where are your own follower now? Because the one where they sit there now, best your follower and they go where you're so.
Follow us on social media. They are everywhere, anywhere where they happen. That's where they go. View is what counts on social media. None of them pay to your Aza to say, Madam, you must go in there. That's why you see your followers. Where anywhere anything is happening on social media, they also go and watch the people that you are claiming to be your followers. They watch everything that happens on Facebook. They are aware, they know it. They watch everything. So, haters, or who were, oh, we are in lovers, because I don't know my yahoo back. A haters, where bungo not about where you know where fear with your lovers, me. Because you know, just look at them. Vera was one of your lover. No, yaso every day, my lover. Be telling yourself the truth. Ugala declare we are this truth teller. Make sure your truth is able to heal you first before you want to be using the lies in your mouth to heal other people. You couldn't take Vera bully for 1 day.
I don't see you not get follower. When you the cause of person, my own people will still like that kind of fear. For me, not like 1 day.
You say when they bully a friend, they say if people will like her, they say that they come there, she not like her, but she called inside. I was calling you with a live video with Vera. She was always calling and happy, and later she will go update and say Odunga. Yeah? Especially the day where Vera they bully me. There was one night you not sleep. People Vera confirm me today on her video to say when I did insult Rita, you called inside. Yeah? You say you not like her. Where were you doing there? There is a fake account. Esther Izobo where you write for Facebook say, Daddy Cool love you where. He's always using your video to enjoy himself and say you are very funny. You not like her? Is this how you lie? Oh, shit.
Now few now like it. The one will be 24/7. I don't like her. Many people can bear me witness. You will say, hey, Samira, me so. But I will jog it Vera na. I want my stress you do. Or would it be the way the dear? It be what way me. Yeah.
I want my stress you do. Or would it be the way the dear?
Yes.
I was not was here. The yammy kuta.
God will bear me witness. If nobody bear witness for me, God will bear me witness. I'll say the bully is too much.
Really?
A lot of people know
the bully is too much. Just 1 day. One day, na Vera take give you injection. You say the bully is too much. How you can say make me come talk 1 year and 6 months? I don't even come out, come cry, give anybody. Now don't say me sit down for this Facebook, I'll come they cry, say na Vera na injection and this thing. I came out once, Vera, you yourself, you can bear me witness, to tell and say, you see this thing, it go backfire, and I'm here to settle your fight when the time comes. I'm here to play your audio. I'm here to remind you. I'm here to play on audio, to remind you, so that you people will know that what you did was wrong. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not doing saga. I'm just fulfilling the promise that I promised my people on Facebook to say when the time comes, watch. Even on our WhatsApp, how are you, Mr. Kwasi? On our WhatsApp, Mr. Kwasi, how you doing? You remember those things, those days as we were concentrating on our hookup? The distractions are not being fighting themselves.
Okay, for this social media. If you talk the amount at one time, rest. Jesus, we are to stop you.
So why are you buying food for her? If you not send Vera work, why you they buy food for her? Is she your family member? Who be this one where not they let my phone rest? What is it that you want?
Mama B, you even came out that day. You want talk? You say, Mama B, we forbid them, but more leave her. Mommy Monica say make we leave her. I even call your platform that day. I say, thank you, my darling.
Did you hear that? I even come your platform that day. I say, thank you, my darling. So if you not send and work, what will make you go say thank you? Because somebody like me, I not send anybody work for Facebook. Make you they bully anybody for me. There's no reason I will go and meet that person and I will say thank you. To work when I not send. I'll come go thank you. I'll come and be thanking you for a job that I never gave you. I will not do that. If you not send Vera a message, why did you go to her to say thank you? For what reason? Why? Una can lie. Because what they do you're wedding with something. Instead of you to just go and apologize to her if you know you have wronged her. That busy fool one come on anyway. No come way okay. Ya don't we fool one way. Una la jadu always sagan is was over. Shame.
Now leave her because of me. Everybody pull like. You say, oh, I forgive. I accept forgiveness of Mama Gladys. Daybreak, you repent. I come outside. I celebrate your repentance of. Say good. The next thing, you say forgiveness. Now it can be the problem. Which of the forgiveness? You say na the Mama B or when you don't fair accept. You dey okay, you know they okay. Oh. Me and you no go gather do this. One time, let me go come and watch Viola di Beleni la wa ya rewe.
Now cause some weight because I know say now one time you wanted to do a match we are you have to just be patient. Be patient and take it. Other people took it. The reason why I even verse when they analyze this video, you coming out today is so shameful. It's a shameful thing. I wasn't expecting it for an Odunga like you. I wasn't expecting it from an Odunga like you to come out just one day of insult from Vera to come and be talking. Waiting me chest. Charger.
Now me get people where they cry.
Waiting me chest for 1 year and 6 months. When I chest the dog back. Yeah. Where when you will say you are a boss lady, you are lady. Why are you lady? See you crying for just 1 day injection. 1 day injection. It make you they cry. They say, you mad or master mon boy, you don't leave me alone. You did do this. What are you talking about? Say, who? Waiting other people they chest, they go they look very like small picking. That's why I talk about Facebook. I say they look you like small picking. Not get what you want to. Kokobiri wife from January to December. What you do me? When I was la dernière street, il y a vieille mi vera. Oh my God. Et vera injection la wa. Et vera pienteto, agana ya pienteto na hi. We are ben ma ye ki ramuto ne bi na na so ne bi na we bure gbe apin nyagi no to. E ke nu daje be we no ya le la dani e ri bo hin. We be no ya gbe li ma e na. Bima, nu ge gbe ma le sagi. Vera injection enter your body well. This will make me laugh. As they do the video, I say me, I gonna lie, I was just laughing your try. I say, look at this one. Gonna losses. After the rubbish, and you do gala format.
Follow me for this social media. Me, I go repost my video where I don't do 3 years ago or 2 years ago when I did Netherlands. Where una they cry, follow me. I tie all of una for leg. Now they do chogoro, chagara. I go they do my business.
That is why you now you be the only person where they cry as for the talk so. What pass so? Only you. It might be a wow. It make cure yane. I take with the cure. Sometimes it's good may you say they give accolades to somebody. Don't be looking down on people who you know that more than you. That's where your problem is coming from. Your disrespect is too much. I continue to tell you every time. You reach Facebook past me. But it disrespects you where bumbe. If you not see it, to some people where you for also supposed to get respect from where you not go get from, you disrespect your elders. Lolo is your senior on social media, she introduced you to screen, or you will a live video. You couldn't even respect her for one day. Till now, we are Umagbu Koto. We are only be a guy, man, in Vera or Emanida less Facebook, ni Andoyari or one way. Eh? When Mario Gono not you well at Facebook, it's still less Mario Gono one day. It's still less insulted me. I think 2 videos like that. He might reply, but in at a bone latte and why he any gay. Eh? But send your one in your senior, but where they move, you can respect and you want Junior to be respecting you. He answered your own way because you lack respect. Where you are going to or maybe the Lord, you know, how can we am go to non wati ma okay, okay. Mario gonna want to disrespect it today. Where you go ho I'm not you well at Facebook where Mario gonna if you be a cover here there where women respect.
On top of the noise, I go they do business. Boy. Eh? You and your Ilaje, eh? Now one day I'll take finish you now. If you the serve God of Ilaje and you make me very and you they lie, you the bad finger we feed you and your children. I want it better for you.
Why were you feeding her?
You never ever super chat me one day. If you super chat, I don't see maybe they enter inside for 5 euro. But my own super chat, the whole world they see and everybody say, now it make you the fight for me because they give you money. I they give you money, they super chat you. I they give something to your children. As you can't reach where you go carry food, because not be my family give you, and not be me. Why you not come back and tell me say, mommy, now half back they give me. You not tell me, but that your sister or your brother where they say go carry the thing. If they tell you say, the thing na this, na that, where then you are? Where then you are? Eh? You beg for them.
All these cries are the result of Vera injection to deal. Wow. Wow, Vera, I'm here to accolade you. You did a very good job. You did a good job. I told you the last time to say, I will leave you alone until when you start doing the right thing, I will leave you. When you know what you are supposed to do, you are not a baby. When you start doing the right thing, I will leave you.
You beg for them. Okay, since when you they beat me, say I get what I do you. Why you not play this?
Oh, he beats you. Oh my God, this is a night of 1,000 laughs. Can you imagine? Horrible. Yeah, I finish the champagne now. I like bed. Yes, I love Babe. I bet you okay, Mudiagi. Babe, you na confession.
Audio. Why you not tell the world? Say Monica, or the short one, according to you, can they talk? Do you know Vera? If I stand for where you did, now so you go be for you. You are a very short person. I don't know why.
The truth of the matter is that Vera is short, I know, but you are also short. In my time with Facebook, now my bon. When wabu no short, when we short, no real a bad job is short. A Vera to boy my time video, but when Vera do so when she's refining every day, and give Vera 2 years and see how Vera is going to be better than you. You are the only person who don't learn on social media. Every other person learns. Who tell the video now, woman me we now way. You heard that? You confess it yourself. Every other one learns and grows. You are the only person who remains in the dirt and you are still there.
Calling me, you don't see me on ground, my dear. I know you'll be your mate, but I don't know why, you know, they surprise me. Now your method, iku. Everyone know iku with social media. Iku working now.
The truth of the matter is that you are not better than Vera. The level of power with Vera, where today boy a Vera how dare you say you better than Vera? Are you not an illiterate? Yes, do you have common sense? Do you have common sense? Do you reason more than your nose? Do you have senses? You think somebody like me, we just throw words at one another. But this one is a promise. A promise, and a promise, he will be no Vera when I will come and do the analysis. This is what I'm doing. I also play Vera. Why I not go play you? Are you better than Vera? Two of you are just the same. If Vera Dova with the Weibo after how many years? She's even better than you right now. She can hold the platform 1,000 will stand. So tell me how you are better than Vera. Don't ever repeat that. Woman say Vera. I don't like that.
Eh? You say you get your own follower before you come they follow me. Eh? Where are your own follower now? Because the one where they sit there now, best your follower now they.
So you are watching the one you are seeing there. Meaning and evidence that when Vera is online, you'll be watching her straight and direct. And you say you don't watch her. You don't go there because you don't like her. Even at this saga, you are following Vera. You are a big follower of Vera. You are one of the followers. Where are your own followers? This one is an evidence that you are a follower of Vera. Because you say the one that they see there, they be Messio people. So how did you know all those things? Eh? Where you are here? You are watching Vera, you are following her. You oh my people, now don't ever hear this beneath this thing where say I uzwan him. You're following Vera. You are one of the followers that she have. By the time you follow a person, you watch them when they are doing video, you are just their follower. It doesn't mean whether you're a presenter, you are talking or whatever. You're a follower of somebody.
Where you're so. I don't see you. You don't get follower.
Are you not
when
one
you
of
the
the
person
followers?
best, your my own people will still like that kind of affair. For me, not like one day. Now few now like it. The one will be 24/7. I know like many people can bear me witness. Yeah, I'll say hell some damage so. But I will jog it Vera na. I don't want festival dog. Baby where the dear. Yes. God will bear me witness. If nobody bear witness for me, God will bear me witness. I'll say the bully is too much.
Really?
A lot of people not they okay for this social media. If you talk their matter one time, rest.
Really?
Oh what Jesus, I won't get when we are to stop you.
Why not?
But don't have home. I was up at there. But he might get when we now. He got to stop you. Why you are here? Cause women you be no.
Nayara, if I stop you, waiting you will come to the feed. Meaning, you wanted her to continue bullying people for you so that you can be playing your loyalty. You see how things come back to people. Everything, me have without the way the Facebook, they always have a way of coming back to you. Check me. Or man, if Facebook, although you belittle me in many of your videos, which it doesn't really concern me, I don't care. But by now, you're supposed to know the kind of person I am. I told you during Ibiela when I was and it happened. The time I was with Frank, you know, with Frank, I go for Facebook. I say I went to go it happened. Okay, Verana is the third one. And the next one I am promising you is between you and Orostra. Take it or leave it.
Uye biwi wa seti ma no we make up a shock. Wa vio ye face no uriye popo ya unu ne uwa gunje. E wa no we gugu atenata na. Ero pero no ama be avaria na ma we varia be wa ye be agbon. Because if you bought the point ye gbewe ne. Uye gbewe ki mu dan ne. O wa no gbe me yesi me e we gbe mi yo pe am yo ko no rie la wa.
Why ga we se ni yamba? Abari mwe na juwobo. You said you didn't call her. These are your words. But Ogbuwe you say. What Ogbuwe you say? Did you call her to come and do gift for you? Did you call her to come and fight for you? But Ogbuwe you say, but Matie. You didn't call her, but Ogbuwe you say. Why all these lies? And you want to tag other people as liars when they are doing saga. When they will be talking the main reality. Oma say they do go when you and these are the things you like. You want people to be fighting for you. You buy their loyalty everywhere. Emmanuel bully, ulu vera, ulu onona, ulu enopa, ulu fake account in Oriye 20. Ulu fake account in Oriye ya gwe hands down mweya. How we miropa. It doesn't your one way upon a why I judge 2 weeks to sick now. People don't even care about us. They come out beautiful and nice the next day. And you are the person receiving all those problems. I call repentance for you. I hope you repent one day. And you know what people are dragging you for.
Bunny will not go wrong. Me, you carry me for social media where everybody they see our own character and not do you anything. You just said they'll trust you again. Your own sister say you no go ever enter a house. Now I can see the reason why. You go say that they jealousy. You want jealousy you for Ebute where you be Ebute. Who jealousy you? Say your sister that they travel.
The truth of the matter is that Ebute where they here, Mama Severa. Mama Severa. There are many things you need to work on. I'll finish a vision and I will tell you. When I stop at where I want to stop. They need to work on the life you. I'm telling you the truth.
No, they travel, no, they come up inside that your house. Nobody they see you. If you they want to go draw children for school, you dress with pyjama. Who want jealousy? Who want jealousy?